Hey friends, if you wish to change the date format to mmddyyyy on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So this is the American date format in which the month comes before the day. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the time and language tab, select language and region and let it load. Scroll down and then you can click on regional format and then you can select English United States. Wait, we'll have to scroll down a little because there are so many English versions in this list. Yes, English United States. And as you can see, it has changed. The month is October, so it says 10/26/2025. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.